safety thresholds exceeded. Evacuation protocols initiated. Stormgate unstable. Incoming call. Amara.
Sweetie, I can't talk right now.
Dad, the voice in my room keeps saying evacuate.
Just stay put. I'll get there as soon as I can.
Can I come to you?
No. I don't know what's... Damn it! Comrade! Shut it off!
What the hell was that?
Cut the power! Now!
It is too late, my friend.
The hell does that...
Yeah, go ahead.
I've intercepted a distress call.
Play it.
Mayday! Mayday! Need help! The settlement is... Repeat! 10 towns is being overrun! Please!
Ping the frequency. Tell him we're coming.
Should I signal HQ for reinforcements?
We don't have time for lectures on risk analysis, Trip. Let's go.
Understood.
Amara. He was a good man. I miss him too.
He was. We'll grieve when it's over. Happy birthday, Dad. Whole damn town's on fire. Riker?
Got a scavenger weapon here.
Scavengers. Things are bad enough without people turning on each other.
I'll search the town, but let's keep eyes on the sky. Remember, we're not alone.
Copy that, Mark. We'll keep overwatch. Stay sharp.
Give me the lowdown. Making a beeline. Death wish granted. Quick time. Game over. Why would scavengers leave the crops? Give me the lowdown. Game over. Time to... Making a beeline. Where? Oh, got it. Quick time. Finding a path. Why wait? No survivors? No bodies either. If scavengers did this, where are the victims?
You're right. Scavengers take everything, except prisoners. More mouths to feed.
Wolf, you seeing this?
Yep, wagon tracks. Heavy load.
So they did take prisoners. We have to find them. Why wait? Heading there now. Here.
Looks like we missed some.
Making a beeline. Game over. Where? Oh, got it. Quick time. Finding a path. Why wait? Heading there now. Here I come. Making a beeline. Where? Oh.
We've been followed.
Finding a path. Why wait? Heading there now. Here I come. Making a beeline. Where? Oh, got it. Quick time. Find...
Major says not to let anyone through.
Looks like you could use a hand. Let me patch you up, Amara.
Where's the action? Why wait? Heading there now. Here I come. Making a beeline. Oh, I've been ready.
If you hide, we'll find you and kill you.
Resistant fighters are behind us.
Guard the caravans and move out. The rest of you head south and clear out the camp. Go on, move. Do as he says.
Where? Contact! Infernals! The scavenger filth is working for the enemy. Take them out. All of them. Oh, I've been ready. Oh, I've been ready. Oh, I've been ready. Finding a path. Why wait? Heading there now. Here I come. Making a beeline. Wagon up ahead. Looks stuck.
Guard the hall.
Make it quick.
Thanks for getting us out of there. You resistance?
Yeah. Warhawks.
We want to join the fight.
Found one of our runaways. Oh, I've been ready. Give me the lowdown.
Ready and willing.
Whatever this is, it's putting off some powerful energy.
Left, right, left.
What is it?
Make it quick.
Ready and willing.
Got a plan?
Yeah?
Hurry! Hurry!
Let's get to it. Give me the lowdown.
Shoving off.
Got a plan? Quick,
Bridge is down, but there might be a way around.
finding. Let me see what I can do.
Ready and willing.
Why wait? Got a plan? Here I come. Let's get to it. Making a beeline.
Hold up. Looks like scavengers laid a trap. I'll take care of it.
You don't know when to quit.
Quick time.
Clear!
Finding a path.
Taking the lead. On their trail.
Why wait? Make it quick.
Let's hustle.
Heading there now.
Left, right, left.
Here I come. Making a beeline.
Ready and willing.
Give me the lowdown.
Go.
Where? Oh, God.
There's a split here. Multiple tracks break north. Heavy. That'd be your prisoners. Lighter group went south.
A few scavengers heading back to base camp.
With so many of them gone, that base is probably not well defended.
We need to rescue those villagers.
Or we take out that base. Cut that.
Where's the action?
Our forces are...
They want to burn homes? Let's make sure they don't have one to come back to.
Sniffing them out.
Heading there now. Here I come. Making a beeline. Time to pay.
What of it?
Death wish granted.
Ready and willing.
Their history.
Shoving off. I got you. Left, right, left. Shoving off.
Where? Oh, got it. Quick time. Finding a path. Why wait? Heading there now. Here I come. Oh, I've been ready. Give me the lowdown. Make it quick.
I got you.
Give me the lowdown.
Now you're talking.
Heads up.
I'll make 'em pay.
Ready and willing.
Make it quick.
Taking the lead.
Got a plan? Give me the lowdown. Oh, I've been ready. Oh, I've been ready. It's done.
Hate when it comes to this. We should be fighting for humanity.
We are. This one picked the wrong side.
Commander?
You all picked the wrong side.
Give me a break. Earth don't belong to humans no more. We gotta survive any way we can.
Good point. Tell us what we want to know. Maybe you'll survive. Riker, throw this trash in the hold. We're gonna